When I was a child, my family faced financial difficulties, and it instilled in me a strong desire to find a way to make money online in this digital era. I believed that achieving financial stability would bring me a sense of gratitude and fulfillment as an individual. However, as I embarked on this journey, I encountered numerous challenges and setbacks that made me question whether this path was right for me. As I grew older, I came to a realization: money alone cannot be the sole purpose of our lives. While financial security is undoubtedly important, it is equally crucial to find our passion and purpose in life. Wealth without fulfillment can lead to emptiness and dissatisfaction. I started to understand that my ultimate goal should be to make a positive impact on the world and contribute to something greater than just accumulating wealth. Living in the AI era, I recognize the immense potential that artificial intelligence holds for transforming our lives and creating new opportunities. With AI, we can explore innovative ways to make money while also making a difference. It is not just about chasing quick riches or falling for the myths of making money online. It's about understanding the true value and potential of AI in our lives. To truly succeed in the pursuit of wealth and personal growth, there are qualities we need to cultivate as individuals. First and foremost, perseverance is essential. The road to success is rarely smooth, and setbacks are inevitable. It is crucial to remain determined, learn from failures, and keep pushing forward. Additionally, adaptability is crucial in the rapidly evolving landscape of the digital world. We must be willing to embrace change, learn new skills, and adapt to emerging technologies like AI. By staying open-minded and continuously seeking knowledge, we can position ourselves to capitalize on the opportunities that arise. Another vital quality is a strong work ethic. Achieving success and wealth requires consistent effort, dedication, and discipline. Hard work, coupled with a focus on personal growth and continuous learning, can set us on the path to prosperity. Furthermore, integrity and ethical behavior should never be compromised in our pursuit of wealth. It is crucial to maintain honesty, fairness, and a sense of responsibility towards others. True success is not just measured by the amount of money we accumulate, but also by the positive impact we have on the lives of others. In conclusion, while the desire to make money online in the digital era is understandable, we must remember that money alone cannot bring us lasting fulfillment. We need to discover our passion, make a positive impact on the world, and find a balance between financial success and personal growth. By embracing the potential of AI, cultivating qualities like perseverance, adaptability, work ethic, and integrity, we can embark on a journey towards both wealth and a meaningful, purpose-driven life.